Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video I'm going to share with you something very important. Today we are going to discuss about the procrastination. Why do we procrastinate while learning something? Not only English language, but whatever we learn. Sometimes some of the people procrastinate, they just leave their work for tomorrow, like I will do it tomorrow, I will do it after some time, I will do it after this one, after that one, and they make excuses, lame excuses, you know and they postpone their work. Even when the time comes, they thought that at that time I will do it. They don't do at that time also. you know it is called postponing, it is called procrastination. When we leave our work, we say that after some time, or tomorrow, or after doing this one, after scrolling phone for a while, then I will do it, then I will do that. Actually, then they don't do that. They don't complete their work. Why does it happen? Why so many people who want to learn English language, who want to speak English, but just because of their phone, that's just because of their phone. And the phone is the one who can teach you, in a free of cost, without any type of problem. You can learn anything. But on the other hand, it can destroy your life, it can ruin your life, it can it can make you, it can break you. It can break your consistency, it can make you a very lazy person, a very I can say, it can make you distracted. So my friend, we have two consequences, we have two ways to use it, our phone. Like first one is negative, the second one is positive. Yes, positive and negative. Okay, it is up to us how can we use it and how we should use it. Okay, so if I talk about the people who procrastinate, who leave their work for tomorrow, who leave their work, that I will do it after some time, I will do it after this, after that, and they don't do that. They just postpone their work. So what is the solution? First of all, my friend, let me ask you a question. What is the purpose are you doing any work? Like if you are learning something, what is the purpose? If you are getting all the things at your home, you don't have any problem, you are getting something, people are saluting you, you are going outside, everyone is just admiring you, no one is mocking, and no one is saying something wrong. So at your home, if you are at home, maybe your father, your parents are saying something, they are shouting you, they are scolding you to do something, but you are not doing, you are procrastinating, you are not learning. What is the solution? Why do you procrastinate while learning something? You know what, there can be a reason that if you have something and which is making you feel something very different, like for example, if you face criticisms by the people, if you face criticisms by the people that people are not speaking with me politely, people don't behave with me politely, and so many people talk to me very rudely. So you will not like that kind of environment, you will not like those kind of people. You will think that, what if I work upon myself? What is the problem actually? Why am I not able to attract them? Why am I not able to talk to them easily and politely? Why am I not being admired by those people? Why am I not being behaved politely? Why? What is the reason? Why some people don't talk to me politely, they just speak with me very rudely? You will think about it when you think like this, that no one is speaking with me politely, no one is talking to me, everyone is just shouting me, speaking rudely, and no one just I'm not getting reputation, you know. So you will think for a while that what is the problem, and why am I here, what is the need, and what kind of things should I do. Then you will think about yourself. You know what, Shanu? Oh, sorry. You know what? When we think about ourselves, when we think that why people think like this, so this overthinking is very good. Sometimes it is very good, you know, that we think about ourselves, that why is it going on. And when we ask this why to ourselves, when we ask this why to ourselves, that why it is going on, why is it going on with me, then we work upon that work, you know. Then we work upon ourselves. Then we think that it means that there is a error, there is a lack somewhere inside of me, that I am not getting reputation, I am not getting admiration, I'm not getting validation, I'm not getting applauses by the people. Why are they not praising me? Why? Then you work upon yourself, then you start working upon yourself. And I just want to say one thing. If you are doing something, you are procrastinating every single day. You know why do you procrastinate? Just because of satisfaction. You are satisfied with your life, that everything is okay, I have all the things, what is the need to do this, what is the need to do that. I mean, there should not be something so that it could hurt you, it could hit you. When something hits us, we think internally that it should not be here, you know. There should not be something like this, and I should change it, and I should work upon this, I should work upon that, I should just change this thing, you know. We think in our mind that yes, I will do this, I will change it. But if we have all the things, we have money, we have all type of financial support, and everyone is just speaking with you very politely, and no one is just mocking, no one is saying something wrong, there is no any type of spark within you, there is no any type of desire, there is no any type of passion, you know. It is very important to be criticized, you know. When someone criticizes us, we think that there is something and we should change it. Why we are being criticized by the people? What is the reason? You know, we think about it, and when we think about it, then we start working upon that thing. So my friend, know the reason. Why do you need it? What is the purpose? Know the purpose. For what are you learning English? For what are you doing something? You know, when you have a very strong purpose, a very strong thing, that for this thing I'm doing this, for this thing I'm doing this, you know, then you may not get distraction, you may not get distracted, you may not feel that no, I'm not doing this, you may not postpone your work, you know. So procrastination is just postponing, avoiding our work, and don't do that work, thinking that I'm feeling lazy, I'm feeling anxious, I'm feeling sleepy, and all the things. Feel that while studying, our mind says that, oh, let's go outside for a while and then we will study. Oh, let's play this thing, then after some time we will study. Oh, let's watch this thing, let's watch this status, then let's watch this movie, let's watch this scene, and then I will study. These kind of small incidents happen to us while studying, you know. So my friend, I would suggest you not to follow your mind all the time. I'm saying, listen to me carefully. all the time. When it says to avoid something, that just avoid studying, and then after some time I will study, I will learn this, I will learn English, I will read book. So if a work you are doing and that is not relating to your English, first of all, you know what, try to avoid only one work. If your mind is saying that just see the status of that person, say to yourself, just for a while, only one time, see, I'm saying that just avoid. If your mind is saying that avoid studying and just see the status, you also can avoid one thing only. That is why I'm saying that just follow your mind, but not every time. Sometimes it is getting distracted by social media, it is getting distracted by the people around you, you know. So my friend, try to control your mind as well. It is very important. Whenever you are learning something, whatever you are learning, just it is very important to have control on our mind. Whatever we are doing, are we completely doing that work or not? Okay, are we giving our best or not? Okay, so in this way you can control your mind. And I know very well that whatever I was talking about, I am not a very kind of motivational and very a kind of mentor. I'm not a, you know, fluent speaker as well. Whatever I'm thinking in my mind, I'm just sharing with you. Okay, so I don't have so much knowledge about it. If I made any mistake while speaking, so sorry for that. And I'm just learning, just like you, as you are learning English, as I am also learning. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.